Hi there, thank you for tuning in again for another unboxing. This time it is, as you can see, it is a quadcopter by XK. I'm not super familiar with the brand and I got this one from Banggood. I will have a link in the description down below. It is the Air Dancer X350. Which of course means it's around the 350 mark, so quite a bit bigger than a racer quad. It has brushless motors, which would make it a hobby grade RC, I think. We'll get into that later on. It is quite an unusual quadcopter in several senses, but I'll explain that in a few minutes. And ordinarily I would take everything out of the box and show you what came out of the box. In this case, however, I will show you how it is packaged, because the packaging in this case is quite luxurious, really. It arrived here in an extra box outside of this box, so quite well packaged. And the box has a carrying handle, which I always like to see. And if I open this box up, so this time you will see my unpacking skills. Ta-da! Well, as you can see, it's actually triple boxed. There are a few manuals, I'll go over those later on. But the quadcopter itself comes in a separate box. Parts kit, probably a charger and a LiPo, and a separate box for the radio. And if I take out the quadcopter, you will see that even this box has a nice carrying handle, so that makes for a convenient transport bag, box, I think. Alright, so let's dig in. Open this box up, and I opened it upside down. There. A protective piece of plastic on top. And we have our quadcopter. And I must say, I have already taken it out of the box prior to this video. I must say that the fit and finish is very, very nice. It is plastic, of course, but it really looks and feels very well made. I like that, of course. I'm not sure what these indentions over here are for. Maybe for stickering or something. We'll see what else comes out of the box. Now, to touch upon the special features of this quadcopter. One is that it is of such high quality from the looks of it, but this is also a 3D quadcopter, so it can fly upside down. Yeah. It is not done in this case as on, for instance, the Stingray 500, which has collective pitch propellers. This one will counter rotate the propellers to be able to fly upside down. In electric sense, that isn't very beneficial, but we will see how that works out. I am not a super advanced 3D pilot, but I ordered this one to, well, to be able to train myself in that sense. Okay, well, let's see what else comes out of the box. There's nothing in here. Okay, we get 4 propellers. And we get 4 landing feet. and some thumb screws to attach those, and I'm not sure what this is over here. Packaging, I think. Yeah, okay, 4 landing feet and 2 thumb screws. Maybe the thumb screws are for something else. I'm not sure. Okay, a glass fiber plate. Now, at first I didn't really know what that was for. However, at the bottom over here you see 2 screw holes, and you can screw this plate on the bottom and then put a camera on that plate. It doesn't look super, this plate, but at least they provide you with a means to attach a camera. That's nice, of course. Okay, we get a wrench to secure the propellers. A little small Phillips head screwdriver. I am not sure what that is for yet. Oh well, maybe to attach the landing feet. And this is a bit strange, but all the screws to attach the landing feet are just thrown into the box. That's a bit weird. I hope I'm not missing any. We will see. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way and see what else we received. Okay, the largest box left should be the radio, and it is. Okay, box out of the way. Okay, quite a large radio with protective bags. Let's get rid of those. It is, as you can see, a Mode 2 transmitter, and it's nice that the antenna cannot be folded, so you won't be breaking that off. A big display with some buttons. I have not powered this one up yet, so I'm not sure what the display will show you. And it has a turn dial for the menu. Very nice. It has 4 switches, and yeah, the 3D capability of this quad, I am not sure how that is implemented. I hope it is implemented in a way such as on 3D helicopters, so you would have 0 pitch at the stick center. I simply do not know at this moment. We will find out together. It has digital trims for all directions of the sticks. Oh, by the way, this transmitter is Futaba SAFHSS compatible. So I should be able to also fly this one with my Futaba transmitter. And let's see, at the back you've got actually a trainer port. Huh, okay. And can I get this lid off? Yes, I can. It takes 6 AA's, which is more than necessary, really. Alright, okay, and let's see what else we have received. One more box, and it opens from the side. Okay, we have a LiPo, a 2200 mAh 3S LiPo with an XT60 connector actually. Oh, by the way, let me show you where the LiPo slots in. Am I in view? Yes, I am. Alright, there's a hatch at the bottom of the quadcopter and quite a lot of space inside the quadcopter for your LiPo. Let's try if I can actually get it in. No, I can't. Huh. The connector is in the way. Let's see. Ah yeah, this works out better. Okay, cool stuff. Now the really nice thing about this LiPo or this setup, of course, is that it is a 2200 milliampere. Most pilots will have an abundance of those, so do I. That is very nice. Oh, by the way, let's check the lights on this quad. I actually do not know if it has any. Oh yes, it does. At least it has a status LED at the rear of the quadcopter. I do assume that these strips over here are also LEDs, but well, my radio gear isn't on at the moment, of course, so maybe those will light up in flight, or maybe you can switch them on and off remotely. I do not know. However, this is a two-color light bulb, which probably will show you if it's armed or not and in what flight mode you are flying. And I do like that you can close this hatch and have no wires hanging out of the quad. That is very nice. Okay. What else comes in the box? A charger, and that charger is a oh, this is the power supply for the charger. Oh, damn. This is the balance. Yeah, balance charger. It's actually capable of charging 3S and 2S LiPos, and it is a 1550 milliampere charger, which is a bit more than usual, so that's very nice. That is of course also necessary because the supplied LiPo is quite big. Alright, well, like I mentioned before, I hope to be able to do 3D well, testing to better my skills at that with this quadcopter. And once the weather clears up, I will show you flight footage with this quadcopter. For now, thank you very much for watching and hope to see you back in another video. Bye bye.